Everything you use today was once impossible. FirstOrigin, where every invention has a beginning. Look around you. The screen in your hand, the medicine you trust, the knowledge you read. None of it existed naturally. It was created by visionaries who dared to ask, what if? Today we uncover 6 genius first inventions that changed humanity forever. Number 1. The first printing press. For thousands of years, knowledge was locked away. Books had to be copied by hand, taking months for a single volume, and only kings and the wealthy could afford them. But in 1440, Johannes Gutenberg had a radical idea. He looked at a wooden wine press and imagined pressing ink onto paper. He created thousands of tiny metal letters that could be rearranged endlessly. When he pulled the lever, the modern world was born. Information spread like wildfire, pulling humanity out of the Dark Ages and into the Renaissance. Number 2. The first microscope. In the 1670s, Antony van Leeuwenhoek wasn't a scientist. He was a cloth merchant curious about his threads. So he crafted tiny, precise glass lenses and built his own microscope. One day he looked at a drop of water and froze. It was alive, filled with millions of tiny moving creatures he called animalcules. Without realizing it, he had discovered bacteria, revealing an invisible world. Number 3. The first compass. How did explorers navigate the vast oceans before GPS? Over 2,000 years ago, Chinese scientists discovered lodestone, a naturally magnetic rock. They shaped it into a spoon and placed it on a bronze plate. Guided by Earth's magnetic field, it would always point south. What began as a spiritual tool became the key to mapping the entire world. Number 4. The first steam engine. Before electricity, the world ran on muscle, wind, and water. But in 1712, Thomas Newcomen built a machine that changed everything. Using steam and vacuum pressure, it powered a massive piston to pump water out of flooded mines. It was loud and inefficient, but it marked the first time heat became motion. The Industrial Revolution had begun. Number 5. The first refrigerator. Before refrigeration, preserving food meant hauling massive blocks of ice. In 1834, Jacob Perkins created a machine that could generate cold artificially. Using evaporating ether, his system absorbed heat and froze water. It was dangerous and crude, but it proved something incredible. Temperature could be controlled. Number 6. The first movie projector. In 1895, the Lumiere brothers introduced the cinematograph, a machine that could record, print, and project moving images. In a dark cafe, they showed a short film of a train arriving at a station. The audience panicked, thinking it was real. That moment changed entertainment forever. From a drop of water revealing life, to machines that reshaped civilization. Every great leap begins with a single idea. Which of these inventions amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more FirstOrigin. We will see you in the next documentary.